ready to go. Okay. Are we nearly there yet? Oh, yes, we are. My face is down in my tummy. Okay. What would you like, Hazel? I like a burrito. A burger, please, Mum. I'm ordering a burger, thank you very much, Dad. Sorry. Oh, it's okay. I'm being silly. You can get a burger. Okay. Debbie, what would you like, darling? Taco. And what would you like, Stuart? Chips! We want chips! We want chips too! Okay, we'll get a big pack of chips. I like some chips too. And a drink of water. Yep. Go eat and I'll get it done. Let's get this out. Okay, what should I do first? You want a burrito, a burger, a taco, and some chips. Maybe some family pack chips. First, let me get the chips on. I need one for it. Ben today. Well, first, we'll take 2 wraps. I'm gonna get the burrito and taco out, and the chips on the fryer. Sorry, so this is gonna take a little while. Yeah, so yeah. Not going for long. So I'm just gonna get a burger together. Yep, burger. And the chips. Now we need to need a big pack of the chips. And the burrito. And we need 2 trays for that. Where are the trays gone? In here. I'm gonna get the burger on. So the girls can have another drink. I'm missing juice for the kids because the kids have all juice. Okay, the fries are ready. Burrito and the taco, and now we can just close up the thing and put the seats up. And the order is ready. What a lovely order. Now let's move my restaurant truck out of the way while they will get the order. Maybe we should put Daddy over here. Daddy, will you fall? No, I won't. How about we first get the stuff in the front? So let's put the front down here. The drink. The chips. And the mum. Just sit and talk about my food because it's not my food. Are you gonna be okay driving us home? Oh yes, I will. But it's gonna get out back in my truck and go. Okay, there we go. Bye, kids. Bye. Okay, where's my Debbie? She's at the back. Okay. I'll just get everyone out of the car. Girls, have their meal. The chips are for everyone. And the drink. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like and give us a comment. Bye.